If you're looking to create slow motion videos and don't know where to start, you've come to the right place. Today I'll show you how to make a slow motion video using your smartphone. First things first, open the camera app on your smartphone. Now, here you can find various camera modes until you find the slow-mo mode. Here you can click any type of videos to activate the slow motion recording. Tap the red record button to start recording your video in slow motions. When you're done, tap the record button again to stop. Now, to edit the slow motion effect, you can go to the Photos app, find the video you want to edit, click on Edit. Here you can now adjust the slider motion sections to your liking, then tap Done to save the changes. And that's how you can create slow motion videos on your phone or computer. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.